You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, Sirius XM radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you